Hi guys, welcome to my binary option strategy video tutorial. And in this tutorial, basically I'll be sharing with you the binary option strategy that I'm using to actually produce consistent profits every month for me in binary option trading. Okay, I believe that you guys are already a binary option trader and you understand the benefits of it. Basically, it's a very good way of making money because all we need to do is to identify whether the market is going up or going down in the next hour. Okay, so basically in my strategy, right, everything is based on the idea that price always get repelled by strong support and resistance. And in this strategy, what we do is to identify level of strong support and resistance, okay, and then we enter a trade, right, based on the repulsion of the price of this support and resistance. And everything, right, will be done on the hourly chart. So basically, to execute this binary option strategy, you need to have a trading chart. Let's say you're trading the euro dollar, you need to open your hourly euro dollar chart on your trading platform. Okay, so so basically you need to include this pivot point indicators, whereby you actually make use of the repulsion of pivot points. So as you can see, right, basically on this image below, basically we have the weekly pivots. I plot the weekly pivots. You can see the gray color line, the red color line. These are the pivot level, weekly pivot level. As you can see, the price, once it hits the pivot, it get repelled by it. You can see what I do is that when the price hit the pivot on the start of the next hour, I will enter a trade, a so-called a short trade. So when I see this price, right, hitting the pivots, then I will then move on to my trading platform. Okay, and actually the broker that I'm using is TradeSmarter, the only regulated broker, binary option broker in the market so far. So what I do, I enter a put option. Since I know that the price is going to move down because it hit this major resistance, then I'll go to this and enter a put options. Okay, so at the start of the hour, I enter put option. At end of hour, can see that the red candle indicates that the price actually moved down, and actually I make a profit from this trade. Similarly, as the price moved down and then hit the pivot support here, you can see that I actually will think that the price will move up at the start of next hour. Then at the start of next hour, I will then move on to enter a call option. Okay, which means that the price will close higher, and then indeed the price actually create a blue candle, which means that it actually moved up and I made the profits. And that's how powerful this pivot point indicator is. Okay, so besides these pivot point indicators, I make use of Fibonacci. As you can see here, right, basically you have to just draw a Fibonacci indicator from the high point to low point, and can see that the price actually hits and get repelled by it. You can see that. And if you were to enter a trade based on this, you're going to make several profits. You can see 1 profit, 2 profit, 3 profit, 4 profits. Okay, from this Fibonacci indicators. Okay, so but the best trading opportunity will be when you are able to find levels where the indicators overlap. It could be the overlapping of various Fibonacci level, or it could be the overlapping of Fibonacci level together with the pivot points. You can see this darkened line is actually the combination of 2 Fib levels. You can see 2 Fib levels. That's why you see the price as it hits here at the start of next hour, I will then enter a trade in the direction of the repulsion. Okay, and indeed it produced a downward movement and I make a profit from it. And this is basically my binary option strategy that I'm using every day in my trading, which makes me consistent profits every month. Okay, so for more binary option strategy and tips, right, you could actually visit my blog at mybinaryoptionstrategy.com. and in this blog, right, basically I will share with you all the binary option tips that I've basically used. So the binary option entry strategy. Okay, so I talk about the tips on why trade binary options and many more things that you could actually learn from here. Actually, I share all my what I've learned in binary option here on why trade binary options, the good binary option broker that I recommend, the advantage of binary options. So basically, you could see the outcome of my trades on the March 2012, how many profitable trade I make, how many losing trade that I make. Okay, so basically this is all I'm going to share with you in this binary option tutorial, and I hope that you find this lesson useful for you.